Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about the flow direction, and to calculate the flow direction, you need to understand some of the things. That flow direction always justifies that from the center cell in which direction the next value is going to flow towards it. For example, there will be area from higher elevation to lower elevation where the water can flow. Then if this center point is the higher elevation, and among all these 8 cells, which would be the direction, the next cell where the value, or maybe the water flows from this highest elevation to some other cells, right? That is how we are going to interpret this flow direction. And to calculate this flow direction, we always require especially two things. One is a digital elevation model, and another is you will require which method that you are going to incorporate to get the value, right? So to understand how the transfer of the, let's say, the higher elevation to lower elevation, how these directions are going on, right? So to calculate this flow direction, we always require field DEM. It's better to use field DEM. You can directly use any DEM you have, but I always recommend you to calculate this field DEM. I've already shared the video where I have calculated this field DEM. If you want to learn in detail, you can always go and check that previous video. I may add somewhere in the video, and then you can just click on run for filling the DEM. Once the DEM is filled, then you will have another steps to go into for calculating or computing the flow direction. And for flow direction, what you have to do is you just have to go to the same process, that is go to yeah, it is done. So go to uh, toolbox, go to special analyst tool, and under this you will find hydrology, and under this hydrology you will have this flow direction, right? Okay, so just go and click the flow direction, and what you will do is you will select the field DEM that you just created. I'm just selecting this field SRTM DEM, right? You can also use any, but it's better to use field digital elevation model. So I'm going to give this a name as field direction underscore DEM. You can always give your choice on how to rename this file. Or you can always browse from here and give the name and a specific folder that you want to work on, right? So once you are done with that, I will select the flow direction type, and here are different flow direction type. You can go and check the link that of the ArcGIS Pro description and flow direction to understand what is it about. So for now, I'm just using this D8. D8 is like from the center on among 8 direction, which direction that the water is going to flow, right? This is how it is defined, and it will have like 8 values. So yeah, once you take all this information and set it, you just go and hit the run. And if you want to change the value of, like, if you have to make some snap raster to a specific raster, then you can always go and select the snap raster over the environment. If you want to check that information, you can always go and check other videos that I have made. Okay, so yeah, flow direction is about to complete, I guess. Yeah, it is completed, and you can see a very beautiful colorful map over here that signifies the flow direction. And you can see plenty of colors, right? So 1 2 3 1 2 4 8 16 32 24 and sorry 64 and 128. So you might be confused, like, what is this value? So if you want to know about this value, then this is it. Like if this is the center pixel, and the water is for what is flowing from this direction to this direction, or yeah, in this direction, if the flow direction in this northern side, vertical northern side, then the value will be 64. If it is eastern, it will be 1. If it is western, sorry, southwestern, then it will be 8, right? So this is what these values are indicating, and you can just have a very quick look on this. Like, see, 4 number is water, and this is the river flowing from this direction, right? And okay, this is lake, so lake will be flowing in this direction, so you can find the value of LO4. Let's just quickly check where is 4. Yeah, it is in the southern part, right? So this is how you have to understand what flow direction is giving you, right? So this is how you can simply create simply create this flow direction using the digital elevation model, and you can get this flow direction in just no time. So yeah, this is how you can create flow direction and following the fill DEM. So in next video I will be coming up with flow accumulation, so stay tuned with me, and thank you so much for watching till now. And yeah, please subscribe.